Your egg yolk is disgusting in Japanese. Japanese has many homophones. The meaning is usually understood in context, by kanji if written, or by differences in pitch accent. Today let's look at this fun sentence. Now, this could mean a few things.
気味が悪い
You are bad.
気味が悪い
A creepy, uneasy, bad feeling, weird, hideous feeling, etc.
卵の黄身が悪い
Or the egg yolk is bad. All three sentences use the same basic sounds. Now, let's say someone stops you in a cafeteria and, looking at you, suddenly says this. Did that person just insult you? Does that person have the creeps? Or is it a public service announcement about the condition of the cafeteria eggs? Of course, if it is written and you know the kanji, the intended meaning behind these three sentences would be obvious. You, feeling sensation, egg yolk. But as I mentioned, sometimes homophones can be differentiated by paying attention to the pitch accent. This, of course, varies by dialect and it can be very subtle, but here are the pitch accents in standard Japanese. The first and third one, you and egg yolk, have a heiban pitch accent. This means it starts low, goes up, and then stays up even with the following particle.
君が
Da da da, da da da. But the second one, feeling, starts out exactly like the other two, but then it goes down with the particle.
君が
Da da da. Let's wrap things up with a fun and mostly meaningless sentence. We're back at the cafeteria. You notice your Japanese friend eating an egg. You go to him or her and say,
君の君は気味が悪い
Your egg yolk is disgusting. If you get the accent down, remember to go down on the ga. No doubt you will be complimented on your wonderfully weird Japanese.
Ninja Penguin.